Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube. I'm back. I've been away off the screen for a little bit. I've grown a mustache. I've raised a small child in the time, taken a break from the limelight. But we are back to show you another ultimate power system in your Canopy. So the brief for the customer on this one was he wanted 200 amps of lithium, 2000 watt inverter, and to maximize the space in the Canopy for him. Now, this is an everyday farm truck, believe it or not. He just wanted a power system that he can use and be versatile at the same time. So, thanks to Liam, my amazing designer we have here at Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, he's designed this box. And what does it hold, you wonder? So in the back of the box, we've got a 200 amp Invicta Super Slim Lithium Battery. This pretty much is the powerhouse for absolutely everything. In front of that, we've then got the 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter running over pretty much to a power point on either side of the Canopy. Charging the whole system, we've got the trusty Redarc BCDC core 40 amp. And that pretty much handles the solar. That'll eventually go on the rooftop tent and all charge from the vehicle while we're driving. Now, to keep an eye on everything, we've gone away from just relying on your Bluetooth on your phone, because who uses a phone in the middle of the paddock? We've gone with the Victron Energy, pretty much their battery monitor in black to suit the black box. From there, we have just some Anderson plugs, plug your fridges in, and we've got some cigarette sockets and USB sockets around here as well to charge all the goodies. Now, sneakily, on the bottom side of the black box, we've got some more Anderson plugs, which are the dedicated fridge circuits. So you don't have to have your fridge plugged in up here with a big dangly lead. You can come in from the bottom and charge away. We've pretty much put some interior lights throughout. So these have just got a simple on-off button on them. We've got amber for those more romantic settings. And then we've got white for when you need to see what you've got going on. Design process. So how these ones start, if you'd like one of our ultimate power systems, is pretty much we get a brief and we start from there. Liam then spends 25 years in front of a computer, moving logos and holes around that take 45 minutes in increments in every single one. Draws all this up on his computer and then clicks a button and gets it all laser cut and made precisely every single time. Now this is Liam. Liam is our in-house product designer, and he's the one that pulls off all Andrew and I's crazy ideas. He gets a brief from us saying we want this to fit here, and he goes, that's not going to work. And we say make it work and walk away. So Liam, tell us about your design process.
For this one, it was another one of the, hey, here's this one, run down with the tape measure and draw it all up. As soon as I started, they went, hey, this one's way more simple than the last one you did. So you're going to, chill out. It's all good. It's not going to take you 10 years, which it didn't. It was actually really easy. I went to town putting more ports than this thing needed, and Josh went, get rid of that one, get rid of that one. Then we decided to add this one here, and because it's circular, it was nice and easy just to add it off afterwards, and it didn't throw off the asymmetric look. Some slight durations from the last one that we did, just learning from the tech, screaming and throwing things around downstairs going, who designed this? And then apart from that, this is what you get after a coat of Raptor.
One thing we learned from the design of our first one to the next one we've done is we've actually relocated the circuit breaker. So if you've watched our D-Max videos, they were all along the bottom here, really nice and accessible, which worked really well for that particular Canopy. This one, because we've got a couple of gussets right in the top corner, we've actually managed to come off the roof a little bit more to cater for those, which allows us to put all our circuit protection up high. Still accessible if one were to blow, but less chance of getting bumped as underneath. We're always learning here at Accelerate Off-Grid Touring. If you would like something custom to suit your Canopy, get in touch and I will give you Liam's direct mobile number. Watch the D-Max video here if YouTube decides to link it, and watch our other stuff down here to look more at our beautiful boxes.
Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, powering your adventures.